Alright, we're doing another cupboard buster. Okay, so I've got spuds. So I did up, you cut, peel, boil until it's soft when the fork goes through. Drain them really well, a kilo of spuds. Alright, once you've got them, and they've got to go cold. Now, while they're cooking, you want to fry up 4 rashers of bacon. So you either have the 4 long rashers, or I had 6 of the tops left, so I did 6 tops. Chop them up. Now you're supposed to use spring onions, okay? 4 large spring onions sliced up nicely, and then you can fry it up with your bacon. But I think they're also called shallots or green onions, but I don't have any, so I put 1 small onion, just normal brown onion, chopped it up and put it in there. Alright, so once you've done those 2 and they go cold, the first thing you want to do is, this is so good when you've got bugger all, and oh, they're so yummy, is you just mash it down dry. Just a quick mash, you don't have to do it like mashed potato mash. Alright, and this is where I will put my salt and pepper in. Okay. Alright, a little bit of salt. A little bit more of the pepper. Now, if you don't have bacon and you've got some ham, chop that up. I mean, I don't see the difference. If you haven't got that, and you're just really hungry and you've got bugger all, if you can find a little can of tuna, or just pick any sort of protein or meat that you can find and chuck it in there. Okay, once you've done that, alright, you want to put all your bacon and onion in. But yeah, the spring onions is absolutely beautiful in it. But this is so good. So good. Kids love it. Right, once you've done that, you want to get yourself half a cup of cheese. It can be any sort of cheese you want. I've used a bit of everything, whatever I could have in there. And yeah, grate her up. Now, I'll put the proper recipe below, and this is just what I'm doing, what I've got in the kitchen. So, you normally would put in 2 tablespoons of sour cream, but I've just got normal cream. So I'll put 2 tablespoons of that. But yeah, if you've got sour cream, oh, whack it in there. I mean, if you've got some fresh chives too, that would be really, really nice. Just only a few though, they're pretty powerful. Alright, once you've done that, mix it all up. Now you want to get yourself a medium bowl and chuck about half a cup of plain flour in it. I'll probably put about a cup in. So we can roll these into balls and put them in the flour. It's much better if you do it while it's when it goes cold. Alright, mix it in really good. Now you want to get a heap. So you want to put flour on your hands. Alright, you want to get heap spoonfuls into balls. Roll them into the flour. Bang it around a bit so you can get the excess off. Put them on a plate. And keep going. Flour in the hands. Heap spoonful. Pat and roll. Dip in flour. Shake off excess on a plate. So now we've rolled them all, you can either glad wrap it and put it in the fridge until you're ready to fry them up, or you can just fry them up. So I'm going to get the pan and everything ready and we're going to fry some up now. Now you can leave them in the fridge for up to a couple of days, cooked or uncooked. Now if you're going to cook them from cold from the fridge, what I suggest to do is cook them for a little while first before you push them down, because if you push them down when they're cold, they'll just crack all over the joint. But if you wait until it heats up a bit, you'll be able to push them down and they won't crack at all. I've just got a little electric pan here. I'm just going to cook up a few now, and I'll save all the rest when the kids get home. So put your pan on in between medium and high. So you want it high, but you don't want it, yeah, in between medium and high. I use olive oil, but you can use any oil you want. Now, depending on the size of your pan, is just depending on how much oil you put in. Put in about, normally 2 tablespoons, but I'll put about a tablespoon in. And about a tablespoon or so the same of butter or margarine. Put them in. I'll just do 4 for now. Oh, that smells amazing already. Now, because they're already warm, because I didn't put them in the fridge, I can pat them down just a little bit. And we cook away. Oh yeah. So this last side I would just do for a bit longer. Oh, look at that cheese melting out of there. Yum. Oh, it smells amazing. They look amazing, don't they? Alright, so I'll probably give this side 5 minutes. Yeah, I would say 3 minutes the first side, 5 minutes the second side. And once they're ready, I'm going to use a little bit of chicken salt. But you can put salt and pepper on them. You can put anything you like, anything you want to tip over the top of them. And put them on some paper towel on a plate and then serve them up. Now, I don't have any lemons and I'm spewing, because if you serve them up with a wedge of lemon, they're absolutely beautiful. There we go. Okay, thanks heaps for watching, you guys. Have yourselves an awesome day. I'll see you soon. Bye.